Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Slide your hand behind the light inside the engine compartment and you should find the two protective covers for the bulbs. Remove the rubber protective covers. To replace the high beam bulbs, unplug the connector by pulling on it. To unscrew the bulb, you must simultaneously push inwards and pull to the right. This will free the hook from the holding spur. Pivot the hook downwards, then remove the bulb. When putting a new bulb back in, you must carefully check you put it in the right way round. As you're inserting it, you must hold it with one finger while another searches for the hook to slip it back into position. Reconnect the power. To replace the dipped beams, repeat the operation carried out for the high beam bulbs. The movements and processes are the same. To replace the parking lights, take the plastic base and remove it by making small movements back and forward. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Put the new one into the plastic base, then insert the whole thing into the headlight. Hold the tab with the ends of your fingers and turn it towards the left. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Operation completed.